Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will do some paragraph writing and the title or the topic of the paragraph is my favorite season or the season I like the most. So I have written it in a very simple English and it is very comprehensive. I'm going to read it for you. You have to write it down in your copies. The summer season begins late in March and ends in July. We feel very hot during this time. In summer, the days grow long and the night becomes short. The sun rises early in the morning. Rivers, ponds, and wells dry up in summer. All schools and colleges remain closed during this time. Sometimes nights are also very hot. People like to sleep in the open air at night. It is enjoyable to bath in cold water in summer. Playing and splashing in the cool water of the swimming pool in the company of my friends is what I enjoy most. We get plenty of ripe mangoes, jackfruit, pineapple in this weather. Rain comes after the summer season. We feel quite happy. Finally, this season is symbol of greenery and I like this season very much. Thank you.